So today is our first day where we want to start like vlogging, making some videos. And this is Stig, our host.
Hi.
From Couchsurfing. Yeah, we are walking up a mountain. What is the mountain called?
It's called Mount Stolsen, and then we are working towards Mount Floyen.
Alright, yeah, it's a big mountain in Bergen, and
I think it's like 2 hours to get up and down.
Oh yeah,
So
a lot of steps, but we can do it. Want to see it? We did it!
Oh. This is cool. Alrighty. So we finally made it. Check it out.
Wow.
Wow. We're back home.
Was a good trip though.
I had fun.
Yeah, me too. And we got a gift card for free coffee at a restaurant. I think we're gonna go later.
Okay, so finally out of house. We were sleeping a little bit.
Yeah.
We took a hardcore nap because last night we were up
Pretty
till
late.
Yeah, really late, and we only got like a couple hours of sleep. Alright, we're on a mission. No, I don't think so. This one?
Get it. Get it, man.
Get it, man. Left, right, or left, right, or left, right, or left. So romantic. Would love it here. Oh, my camera died right in the middle. I'm sorry. Anyway, we're done, and now we're going to get some hopefully good pictures of the sunset.
Yeah, that's great. Look at these colors, isn't it awesome? It looks so much better in real life, but it's so hard to capture. You want to tell them about your glass obsession?
Okay, so I have this obsession. When I was a little kid and when I was a little kid and I first went to New York, me and my dad, we went to like some touristy place in Chinatown, and I really wanted like these like glass block things. They're only glass, and then they have like laser designs that are formed inside. And so I got one of the Empire State Building, and since then I've been collecting them everywhere. Everywhere that we go, every place that I go to, I always want to get one because I just love collecting them. Last time we were in Barcelona, I got a really mini one that's got like rainbows that come underneath, and so when the light shines through, it like shoots through the glass. It's awesome.
Yeah. No. Oh, we're not gonna get it.
Okay.
Let's go where the water is.
Okay, so we're gonna head home after the sun goes down, and we're gonna take a shower, blah blah. And tonight is the opening ceremony of the Olympics.
Yes,
Woo!
it's gonna be
So we're gonna watch it.
So how's your first vlogging day so far?
It's good. It's a little awkward in public because people are like,
Me, what are they doing?
what are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa. What a beautiful sunset on Bergen. And what a beautiful girl. Sorry.
So we just got home, back to the apartment. We had a great day, right?
Yeah, it was really nice. We watched the sun go down, we walked back home, we talked. And now we're gonna clean up and get comfy.
Yeah, and then we're gonna watch the Olympic opening show
Ceremony.
Yeah, I'm excited. Well, I hope you enjoyed our first video, vlog or something.
Episode 1.
Yay! Well, it was fun. I don't know, it's kind of nice to capture a whole day because, I don't know, I can share it with you guys.
I guess we'll see you tomorrow.
Or sometime.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. I don't know.
We'll see. Alright guys.
Bye.
Bye.